Earning one's crust, the flavor of hard work. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind the phrase, earning one's crust. It's a phrase rich in history and significance, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it in everyday conversation. So, let's get started and explore this intriguing expression together. Earning one's crust is a classic English idiom that refers to making a living or earning enough money to survive, especially through hard work. The word crust in this phrase symbolically represents the most basic form of sustenance, bread. Historically, bread has been a fundamental part of the diet for many cultures, making it a powerful symbol of survival and sustenance. Therefore, when someone is earning their crust, they are working to provide for their basic needs. The phrase, earning one's crust, hails from a time when bread was a staple in every meal, and having enough to afford it meant you were surviving. It's a phrase that echoes the struggles and hard work of past generations. While its exact origins are somewhat murky, it is deeply rooted in the working-class history of the English-speaking world, encapsulating the dignity of labor and the importance of self-sufficiency. Using earning one's crust in conversation adds a touch of historical depth and cultural richness to your speech. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. After graduating, I moved to the city to start earning my crust as a graphic designer. My grandfather often tells stories of how he earned his crust during the Great Depression. Everyone here is busy earning their crust. It's a bustling community of hardworking individuals. Remember, this phrase is best used in contexts related to work, survival, and the dignity of making a living. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, earning one's crust. We hope this video has not only enlightened you on its meaning and origins but also inspired you to appreciate the value of work and survival it conveys. As always, thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning. Remember, the journey of language learning is as rewarding as it is challenging, and every phrase you learn is a step closer to fluency. See you in the next video.